New PB, guys. She is absolutely enormous. Huge thanks to our fella for putting me on this fish. Sorry we didn't get the fight. We've been just kind of hanging out and really enjoying our time here. This is my first time in the spot. Definitely expect some really crazy videos from here this year. I can say that the first time here is just unbelievable. Look at this thing. Just
the frame on it.
A fish of epic proportions. And we've gotten some smaller fish throughout the night, but we've also lost some really big fish. This fish had me pretty much the whole time stuck. I can't believe we actually landed her.
That much more special.
We got lucky. We definitely got lucky with this one. It was stuck from the beginning. The whole fight, it was under something. And it finally came free.
What a slob.
Slob, dude. Oh my goodness gracious.
Beautiful.
What a fish,
33
boys.
pounds and 12 ounces.
Finally breaking into the 30-pound club, boys and girls.
Yes.
It's been
Welcome
6
to the 30
years
club.
of carp fishing. For this,
What a
my
beauty.
first time here. All right. Look at this belly.
Yep.
Oh, I love it. Come on, mama. Such a stud. She'll let us know when she's ready. Oh, I think she's ready. Bye.